Hello viewers, this is attorney Naresh Gehi and we are live on Facebook. It's 11:30 in the morning and I'm sorry if I'm a little late. Technical setups take a while, and thank you to Kimberly for helping me with today's technical setup. News for today. As always, we begin with breaking news, immigration raids. So we're going to discuss two topics. One is the visa bulletin and especially about the employment-based category. And before that, so today we are going to have two topics and Kimberly will be happy to put on the caption. The caption for today is immigration raids and the visa bulletin. So first, let's talk about how to protect yourself against an immigration raid. So we'll be postponing the visa bulletin to next week. So how to protect yourself in the event if you are if you get caught in an immigration raid. Now, first and foremost, remember one thing. Even today, you can try your best to become legal in this country. For example, if you are considering married to a US citizen, get married. So you won't even have to worry about the immigration raid, because once your papers are in, so you are at least covered, and if something backfires, you should be okay. So a lot of our clients, like they're getting married because they've been dating for a while. So finally, they brought these issues up with their fiancés or with their to-be spouses, and a lot of people are actually getting married to American citizens. Now, if you get married, if you entered with a visa, the good news is in approximately 6 months, you can qualify for a green card. Now, second thing is, why would ICE be arresting you? Common sense, because you're illegal in the country. Or even if you're legal and if you have a serious criminal record, they can arrest you. That's an aggravated felony. So now let's take scenario number one, is that you are illegal. Now, how can you become legal? Number one is consider filing through your marriage-based immigration category. Or secondly, if you fear persecution in your country, consider political asylum. You can also apply for a political asylum even if you're late, provided you have a genuine fear of persecution in your home country because of your race, religion, membership in a social group, or because of your political opinion. Now, take an example. You came to this country a long time ago, and suddenly you're confronted with a fear of going back to your country, particularly because the political parties back home, they want to kill you, or basically something new came up in your life, and because of that, you want to apply for asylum. Now, take an example about someone that I know and whom we helped a while ago. This person just came out of the closet and he never informed his parents that he was gay. So finally he came to me and told me, Mr. Gehi, I've just come out now and I'm telling my parents that I'm a gay and I want the world to know that I'm a gay, and what should I do? And he was out of status, and then he told me that if he goes back to his home country, there's a likelihood that he'll be killed because his country does not permit gays. Now you have to understand, he was here for more than 1 year in America. He was here for many years. So you can apply for a late political asylum. People think that you cannot apply. The law on the point is, yes, you are eligible to apply, because if you can show exceptional circumstances, or if you can show that your situation completely changed and that situation did not exist before, that may be a very good ground for you to fight before an immigration judge. Now, what happens if you don't get asylum? The judge can still consider your application for withholding of removal. The judge can also consider your application for relief under the Convention Against Torture. But keep one thing in mind, is that only do it if you have a strong case, because if you don't win, you may be deported by the immigration judge. But remember, now take an example that you're sitting at home watching this video and you're scared at this stage, ICE picking you up. Consult an immigration attorney. Make sure that you go and see someone so that you know how you need to plan if there's an issue. Now, what should you do if there's an ICE raid? Critically important. Number one, you don't have to open the door if they don't have a warrant. And 99% of the time, what I have seen is that they don't have a warrant to pick you up. And sometimes ICE agents misrepresent that they have a warrant. Be very careful. Tell them, I want to record you. I want you to make sure and let me know that you actually have a warrant to to enter my house. Otherwise, let them know that I'm not allowing you. So the best thing is that if there's a US citizen in the house, if there's a green card holder, let them open the door and record them. Record them because they are not allowed to lie under oath. And let them know that, are you swearing under oath? That's the second question, which you won't find these things on other platforms, what I talk about. Tell them, are you telling me under oath that you have a warrant? Ask them the statement. And the ICE officer will be kind of shocked that you're speaking the right language with them. Then after that, under the law, Fourth Amendment prohibits ICE from unlawful search and seizures. So if they don't have a warrant, they cannot harass you. Secondly, you can also exercise your right under the Fifth Amendment, wherein you don't have to talk to them at all. Just remain silent. Let them know that I exercise my right to remain silent. And thirdly, let them know immediately that I need my right to counsel, which means I don't want to talk to you. I want to have a lawyer who is going to speak to you. That's all you need to do. But the better thing to do at this stage, it's critically important for you to become legal in this country. Stay legal. That's going to help you a lot. And if you're legal, the good news is that you cannot have any troubles. So if you're out of status in this country, or if you're undocumented, we've been handling immigration cases from all over the United States and the world. This is Attorney Naresh M. Gehi, and always our phone number is 718-764-6911. And we are open from Monday through Saturdays. And my email address is info@gehilaw.com. The instant program constitutes an attorney advertisement under the laws of the state of New York. Prior results do not guarantee future outcome. We'll be back again with our viewers with some more information from the world of law next week, same time, same place. Keep sharing these videos so that you can help people to actually protect themselves or defend themselves in the event there's an ICE raid.